Train whistle calling through the California rain. Same old platform where I learned about pain. Berkeley station, November cold, coffee steam rising, your story unfolds. You spoke of justice, spoke of change, while I counted coins for the midnight train. Your beard was darker, your eyes were bright, fighting wars that kept you up at night. Now the trains don't stop here anymore, but I still hear you, still hear you. Time keeps rolling like it did before, but I still hear you. You had your causes, had your plans, saving the world with your gentle hands. I had my suitcase, had my doubt, wondering what love was all about. We made our promises in the rain, said we'd meet right here again. Now the trains don't stop here anymore, but I still hear you, still hear you. The time keeps rolling like it did before, but I still hear you. 20 years later and I'm standing on this platform, think about that wind just in us, but in the heart and how you kissed me under the station clock while the last train pulled away. And I didn't get on because I thought we had forever, but forever turned out to be just one winter of protest. And coffee that went cold while we planned to change the world. And you went to Sacramento and I went to work, and the letters got your other calls were few, until all I had left was the memory of your voice echoing off these walls. The platform's empty now, weeds grow through the tracks, but some things never fade. Now the trains don't stop here anymore, but I still hear you, still hear you call. Time keeps rolling like it did before, but I still hear you, still hear you call. Berkeley station, still the same, just me and the California rain.